Hey, will you play hide and seek with us? Okay, I'll count to 5. You go and hide. 1. Their pets are really well trained, and I was thinking maybe we could get another pet. Yeah, that sounds reasonable because they are really trained. I really think you are right. Hey, will you play hide and seek with us? Okay, I'll count to 5. You go and hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raina, here I come. Right here. Found you, Jonah. Aw, man. I'm gonna sit right here. Leisha, you are not good hided. Mom. Okay, let me get you. Okay, here you go. I can see your head sticking out. Get out up there. Okay. Well, kids, I was thinking maybe we should have another pet. Mom, do you mean that because the pets are rolling in a pet? Yeah, bark, bark. Oh, yes, I mean this. Oh my gosh, guys. Today we are opening a fuzzy pet surprise. Unbox me! And these cute little cuties bring the pet to us. Okay, let's get started. Here's the zipper. Let's get the rest of the zipper off. There we go. Last part. Let's get that. There we go.
Stop for a second.
Okay, where's our secret message? Here it is.
What do you think it says?
There's
Having a snowball fight. That's what it is.
snowball fight.
Yep.
Okay, let's move on to our next layer. You know? Let's finish it up. Guys, remember last time we had? This is a see-through ball. Wow. Let's peel off this so we open it up. Let's get that rubber. There we go. Bang. Here comes all the little plastic part. This is the manual. Here's the checklist. Let's not peek at that until we have a clue. Let's see what we have in this first. Actually, this is going to be my first blind bag. Let's open it up. 4 cute little shoes. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this little cute shoes. Let's look at the checklist. We have.
You think you have it? Which one are you gonna guess you have?
I think we have Rocky.
Rah skunk.
Guys, the next we have cute little bottle. Next, this. Oh, flu. Okay, let's check out this. I can feel something here.
Go ahead.
And look at this, a cute snap-on bow. white snap-on bow. You can snap it on and snap it off. Next, I'm going to open this small blind bag. I feel something there. Same shape, but it can't be the same thing. And another little clip-on. It's blue cherry. Let's save this pet for last, because we don't want to spoil the surprise. Look at this cute little outfit. Wow. Let's place that there. We have, I think, yep, one more blind bag, and then we reveal the fuzzy pet. Look at this cute little brush. Meow. There we go. Open up. Whoa, this is fuzzy.
So which one do you think you got?
Oh, the raccoon, but I think I guessed wrong. Because look at this.
You got...
The face soul.
Let me see.
I'm fuzzy.
Which one do you think you got? Which one did you get?
I feel like we got the raccoon. Let's peel.
Are you peeling off layers? Oh, those layers come off. That's pretty cool.
Yep, we got the
you sure
raccoon.
did.
Now let's peel off the rest of the fur. I'm pretty sure we can stick back on this fur. Purr.
That's pretty cool.
I'm skunky. I'm stinky. Okay, this is a little bit hard. Let's take off the leggings. I bet she was trying to keep cool or keep warm because it's a rainy day.
So you got Rah Rah Skunk.
Ooh.
And Rah Rah Skunk is a popular.
Ooh.
Not this one. That's okay, try with this one.
Okay, I'm never using this. It's so soft. I'm gonna use it or something. Yours, what was that? Let's get it back. Oh,
Sure, let's get this one in there.
let's hear her outfit. She's the cutest. Yeah. I can't wait to go my owners. I'm gonna sleep.
Yeah.
Wow. Now let's put the plug. Boop. Now we shake.
Shake it a little bit. Just shake a little bit.
I suck at cakes, but maybe Roxanne can.
Right?
I can make a cookie.
Let me see.
I know, welcome.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, right? That'd be so hard to decorate.
See all the sparkles and stuff in there. Now what?
What?
Now,
You're so annoying.
let's put it
for
together.
that. I cannot with you.
Now, I'm gonna snap this on. Wait.
You never
this
bake
side.
with me. You only ask me to make you stuff.
Snap.
Can't
Snap this in. Wait. We forgot something.
What?
That bursts.
What?
Just
I
a
have to
notification
offer-
burst.
You know that's a lie. You're in the kitchen 90% of the time with me.
I know, and I watch you. You just saw it today, do job.
Okay, are you kidding me?
He's already made it. You're making the icing.
Now let's take off
Okay,
your
so
fuzzy fur.
awesome.
You know how I do it, Frosty.
True.
Doop.
What does he like? Ricky.
Turn it.
They have do they live off of Top Ramen in there?
Oh, look, there we go.
We have our fuzzy pet. Hey, Mommy, the fuzzy pet's done. The fuzzy pet's.
Yeah, that's what I thought. There's so many Top Ramen cakes, man.
I want you out. A skunk. I love skunks.
Okay, let's see.
Mua. Come on. And guys, to close it up, thanks for watching Rylan the Curious. Subscribe. Smash that like button and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks.